Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Are you curious about the games that you can go ahead and download with PlayStation Extra or Premium on your PlayStation 5? So if you were to upgrade your service, we can go to the home screen and go to PlayStation Plus and then scroll on down. Then at the top here, if we scroll all the way to the right, these are the games right here that you can go ahead and get with either Extra or Premium. So you can just scroll through this library and it will say Extra right here next to the game, or it will say Premium. And this can determine which service you may want to go ahead and get. So there is just tons of games under here. I can continue to scroll on down and down and down. You can see the little slider. So it seems like there's hundreds of different games in here, and some of them are a little bit newer. So let's go to this one right here. This is a PS4 game, and let's scroll on down. If there's any kind of like, here's Duke Nukem Forever. This is a PS3 game right here as well. So it looks like there's different generations. Let's scroll down a little bit more, see if there's any PS2 games here at the bottom. And oh, here is Ninja Gaiden. That would be fun to play again. So I see a bunch of PS3 games. Just come to this section and look at all the games yourself. If you're someone who likes to earn trophies or something, this is perfect for you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.